subscribe button now. Don't forget to check out our back catalogue. Welcome back to the Utilist Garage. Today we're going to Okay, so this is Paul's Honda Civic. Now Paul's been suffering from this whole where it all looks a bit, the plastic goes all crap and all this, and he didn't believe me. I said I'll try this cutting compound. So just using, it's not anything particularly expensive, called Super VM compound. Now I just did a little bit with a cloth. Now you can see this was the side Paul had a go at before, okay, with just a Sif cream on it, okay, and this is where I just did about 5 minutes work with this compound and a cloth. So what we're going to do now, you can do this with a cloth, but I'm going to use the machine on it and give it a polish out, and we'll see what it looks like. But you can see this is what we've started with, and then you'll be able to see what we're going to get afterwards. So all I'm using is a machine polisher, and I'm only doing it on probably about a 3 setting. Okay, you don't want loads and loads of stuff on it. Get a little bit out and just dab it on. Okay, not loads, otherwise you're going to squirt it all over the place. Then we're going to just dab it on the actual device. Right, you can see I haven't gone over that very long, but you can already see the difference in it. So I haven't done the bottom part yet, I've just done this top section. I'm just going to go across this, I'll probably go over it about 2 or 3 times. Just running a little bit dry now. I'm just going to put a couple more dollops on here. You can see it doesn't sink in or anything. A little bit too much there, but never mind. Just get the bottom part in a bit. Right, I'm going to give that a quick wipe over just so you can see what the difference is. What I should have is a nice clean cloth. I don't just have a dirty one sat here quickly, so I'm just going to give it a quick wipe off. So you can see where some of it's a little bit damaged, but we're going to go over and see if we can fix that. But you can see the difference straight away from here to what we had a minute ago. There's a hell of a lot of difference. It's not making it brand new, but then we're not putting too much effort into it at the moment. So let's put a little bit more on. The other way of doing it is I put a little bit on the cloth and just smear it exactly where you want it, because that way it's already sort of worn in a little bit. You don't want to put this on too much speed. I'm going to go down to about 2 now. So like we can see, there is, I think that would, to get any further on that you'd probably have to sand it back, because it's actually, you can feel it's pitted. But you can see how big of a difference that's making already just by looking at what we had before to what we have now. It's a major difference. Well, I'm going to just carry on doing the rest of these quickly, and then we'll show you the overall effect. You can't do it for too long, otherwise you'll heat up the plastic and you'll melt it, so that's why you don't want too quick a speed and you don't want to hold it on there too long. It's actually dried up a little bit too much on there, and let's put a bit more on. You can see where the wear is. Like I say, you can go further with this. You can just, if you put like a nice sandpaper, start off with something like start off with about 400 grit, go up to about 2000, and do the polish process again, you get a much better result. What do you think? It's not perfect, but no, it's a hell of a lot better than it was. I mean, if you go all the way from around here, I mean, you look, this is what we was dealing with before, and as you come round gradually, you can see where Paul's gone on with the stiff cream a little bit, and then this is where we started polishing, and you can just see the instant difference.
Yeah, you notice it straight away.
quite outstanding really.
That is superb compared to what that was.
Like I say, that
I mean,
probably lasts.
it's never going to look brand new, but that is superb.
I mean, that's probably going to last you a good couple of months. You could polish it up again, you could clear coat it.
Yeah.
But there we go. Thanks for joining us at Mad Life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the rest of our videos. Well, we hope to see you all again very, very soon.